Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you through on how to switch to the Japanese language setting in Notion. Altering the language configuration in Notion is simple. Here's a concise guide to aid you in transitioning to the Japanese language. To start, commence the procedure by clicking on Settings and Members positioned at the upper part of the left sidebar. This serves as your gateway to personalize your interaction with Notion. Once you have entered this domain, navigate to the Language and Region section within the sidebar of the new window. This is where the captivating transformation unfolds. Ready? Move forward by selecting the initial drop-down menu. Opt for the Japanese language from the available alternatives. And lo and behold, you have now successfully modified your Notion language settings to Japanese. Delight in the seamless experience tailored to your linguistic preference. Remember that Notion continuously expands its variety of language options, so remain vigilant for upcoming prospects. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.